Sai Ram students, welcome to the first session of chapter 11, that is problems on measurement. So children, you all very well know what is meant by measurement, right? So measurement we use in our day-to-day life, right? The milk is measured in liters, milliliters, right? Fruits and vegetables you purchase in grams, kilograms. Cloth, it is measured in meters. Distance, it is measured in kilometers, right? So these are all measurements. So based on these measurements, we are going to carry out addition, subtraction and some word problems, right? It is the similar way we had done for in measuring time. Hours and minutes, how we had taken, same way in the measurement we are going to take different quantities, right? So let's take an example. So your first example is add 37 kilometer 250 meter plus 15 kilometer 950 meter. Now you can see here children, it is kilometer also and meter also, right? So what we are going to do, kilometer which is there, that we will write in one column, and meter which is there, that we will write in one column, right? Because you know very well that kilometer and kilometer can only be added or subtracted. Kilometer and meter cannot be added and subtracted, right? So the quantities which are there, it should remain the same. So what we are going to do, we are going to prepare a table, kilometer and meter, right? So what I have done now, 37 kilometer. So I have written 37 in the kilometer column. Next is 250 meter. So what I have done, in the meters column I have written 250. Now next is what, 15 kilometers. So again 15 I have written in the kilometer column, and this 950 meter which is there, that I have written in meters column, right? So now we have arranged them. Now let's carry out the addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, 1 carried over. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 I will write over here and 1 I will carry over in the kilometers column, right? So 1 plus 7 is how much? 8, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 I will write down and again 1 carried over. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So what answer you got? 53 kilometer and 200 meter. So your final answer is 53 kilometer 200 meter, right children? Now let's take the second example children. Subtract 7 liter 150 ml minus 2 liter 500 ml. So children, we are going to follow the same pattern. We will make again a table as liter and milliliter. Now 7 liter. So you will arrange 7 in the liters column, and 150 ml. So 150 you will write in the milliliter column. Minus 2 liters. So 2 you will write in the liter column, and 500 ml. So 500 you will write in the ml column. Now 150 minus 500. You cannot carry out subtraction because 150 is smaller than 500. So what you will do? Do you remember children, in measuring time what we had done? Hours and minutes was there, right? So we borrowed 1 hour from the hours column, we converted into minutes and we added it to the minutes column. Same way we are going to do it over here also. We are going to borrow 1 liter and then that 1 liter we will convert it into milliliter and add it. Then we can carry out the subtraction. So if we borrow 1 from 7, what it will become? 7 minus 1 will become 6. Now this 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 1000 ml, right? So this 1000 plus this 150, how much it will become? It will become 1000 plus 150. It will become 1150, right? So 1150 you can carry out subtraction, right? So we will now carry out 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 11 minus 5 is 6, right? And now in liters, 6 minus 2 is 4. So what answer you got? 4 liters 650 ml, right? So you will write the answer as, final answer as 4 liter 650 ml. Right children? Now let's start with problem set 46. Now what is given in the problem set 46? First one is add rupees 9 50 paise plus rupees 14 60 paise. Now you can see here rupees and paise is given. So what you will do, you will prepare a table as rupees and paise, right? So 9 rupees, so you will write in rupees column as 9, 50 paise. So in the 50 paise column you will write it as 50. Next is rupees 14. So 14 you will write in the rupees column, and 60 paise, so 60 you will write in the paise column. Now after doing arranging them, we will carry out the addition, right? 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 written down, 1 carried over, right? Now 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So what answer you got? Rupees 24 and 10 paise, right? So you will write the answer as rupees 24, 10 paise. Let's move to the second one. 6 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter 9 millimeter. Again we will prepare two columns in which one will be as centimeter, other will be as millimeter, right? So now 6 centimeter. So 6 you will write in centimeter column, and 5 millimeter. So 5 you will write in millimeter column. Next is 7 centimeter. So 7 you will write in centimeter column. 9 millimeter. So 9 you will write in millimeter column. Right? Now let's carry out addition. 5 plus 9 is 14. Right? So 4 you will write here. 1 you will carry over. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. Right? So what answer you got? 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter, right? So your final answer is 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter. I hope students you are understanding how to do it. Let's move to the third one. 22 meter 50 centimeter plus 25 meter 75 centimeter. Now meter and centimeter, like this two tables will be prepared, right? So 22 meter. So in the meter column you will write 22. 50 centimeter. So in the centimeter column you will write 50. Next is 25 meter. So again in the meter column you will write 25, and 75 centimeter. So 75 you will write in the centimeter table, right? Now let's carry out addition, right? 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 written down, 1 carried over in meters column. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So what answer you got? 48 meter 25 centimeter. So your final answer will be 48 meter 25 centimeter. Let's move to the fourth one. 15 kilometer 740 meter plus 13 kilometer 950 meter. Again we will prepare two columns, kilometer and meter, right? 15 kilometers. So 15 you will write in kilometer column. 740 meters. So 740 you will write in meters column. Next is 13 kilometers. So 13 you will write in kilometer column, and 950 meter means 950 you will write in the meters column. Now we will carry out the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 you will write here, 1 carried over, right? 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. right? So what answer you got? 29 kilometer 690 meter. So we will write the final answer as 29 kilometer 690 meter. Right, children? Now we'll move to the fifth one. 25 kg 650 gram plus 29 kg 770 gram. Again we'll prepare two tables, kilogram and gram, right? Next 25 kg, so 25 will write in the kg column, and 650 grams, so 650 you will write in the gram column. Next is 29 kg, so 29 you will write in the kg column, and 770 gram, so 770 you will write in the grams column. Now we'll carry out addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So what answer you got? 55 kg 420 gram, right? So you will write the final answer as 55 kg 420 gram. Next, sixth one is 19 liter 840 ml plus 25 liter 250 ml. Again you will prepare the same columns, liter and milliliter, right? So 19 liter, you will write 19 in the liters column. 840 ml, so 840 you will write in the milliliters column. Next is 25 liter, so 25 you will write in the liters column, and 250 ml, so 250 you will write in the milliliter column. Now we'll carry out the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 I will write here, 1 I will carry over. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what answer you got? 45 liter 90 ml, right? So you will write the final answer as 45 liter 90 ml. Now the second one is subtract. So in that, the first one is rupees 19 50 paise minus rupees 12 60 paise, right? Same way what we will do, we will make two columns, rupees and paise, right? Now 19 rupees, rupees 19. So 19 you will write in rupees column, 50 paise, so 50 you will write in the paise column. Next is rupees 12. So 12 you will write in the rupees column, and 60 paise, so 60 you will write in the paise column, right? Now let's carry out subtraction. Now 50 minus 60, right? So again 50 is smaller than 60, so you cannot carry out subtraction. So remember, we had taken the second example, in that we had borrowed 1, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to borrow 1 from the rupees column. So when you borrow 1 from the rupees column, what will it become? 19 minus 1 will become 18, right? Now 1 rupee is equal to, children, how many paise? It is 100 paise, right? Do you remember this? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now what we will do, we will write here 100 plus 50. So what it becomes? 150, right? So now 150 minus 60, you can carry out the subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is 0, and 15 minus 6 is 9. So you will write 9. Now in the rupees column, 8 minus 2 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what answer you got? 6 rupees 90 paise. So final answer you will write rupees 6 90 paise. Right, children? Let's move to the second one. 24 centimeter 2 millimeter minus 3 centimeter 8 millimeter. So what again we'll do? We'll again prepare two columns, centimeter and millimeter. So 24 centimeter we will write in centimeter column as 24, and 2 millimeter 2 we will write in the millimeter column, minus 3 centimeter. So 3 we will write in the centimeter column and 8 we will write in the millimeter column. Now let's carry out the subtraction. Right. Now 2 minus 8. You cannot carry out the subtraction. Right. So what you will do? You will borrow 1 centimeter. Right. So when you borrow 1 centimeter from 24, what it will become? 24 minus 1 will become 23. Right. Now 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter, children? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Right. So what you will do? Here you will write 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2 becomes how much? 12. Right. So 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. So you will write 4. 3. Now go to the centimeter column. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So what will be your final answer? 20 centimeter 4 millimeter. Right. So you will write the final answer as 20 centimeter 4 millimeter. Now let's move to the third one. 20 meter 30 centimeter minus 17 meter 60 centimeter. Again we'll prepare the two tables, meter and centimeter. Right. So 20 meter, so you will write 20 in the meter column. 30 centimeter, so 30 you will write in the centimeter column, minus 17 meter. So 17 you will write in the meter column. 60 centimeter, so 60 you will write in the centimeter column. Now again 30 minus 60, you cannot carry out subtraction. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from the meters column. So when you borrow 1 from 20, so 20 minus 1 will become how much? 19. So you will write 19. Right. Now children, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Right. So what we will do? We will write here 100 plus 30. So what do you get? You get it as 130. Right. Now you can carry out the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 13 minus 6 is 7. Right. Now let's go to the meter column. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what answer you got? 2 meter 70 centimeter. Right. So you will write the answer as 2 meter 70 centimeter. Now let's move to the fourth one. 40 kilometer 255 meter minus 17 kilometer 960 meter. Again we will prepare two tables, kilometer and meter. So 40 kilometer, so 40 you will write in kilometer column. 255 meter, so 255 you will write in the meter column, minus 17 kilometer. So 17 you will write in kilometer column. 960 meter, so 960 you will write in the meter column. Now let's carry out subtraction. 255 minus 960. Now again you cannot subtract because it's a smaller number. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from the kilometer column. So 40 minus 1 becomes how much, children? 39. Right? Now 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, children? It is 1000 meter. Right? So what you will do? You will write 1000 plus 255. So 1000 plus 255, how much it will become, children? 1255. Now we'll carry out the subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next is 5 minus 6. You cannot subtract 5 from 6. So what you are going to do? You are going to borrow 1 from 2. Right? So in the place of 2 it will become 1, and in the place of 5 it will become 15. So 15 minus 6 it will become 9. Now 1 minus 9, again you cannot subtract. So you are going to borrow 1 from this 1 number. So in place of 1 it will become 0, and in place of 2 it will become 11. So 11 minus 9 is how much? 2. So you will write 2 as the answer. Now 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. And 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So what is your final answer? 22 kilometer 295 meter. Right? So your final answer is 22 kilometer 295 meter. So children, we'll stop here only. In the next session, we will solve this remaining part of problem set 46, and we will see some examples of word problems. Till then, goodbye.